What can you do if your resort refuses to take back your timeshare? For many owners, that moment feels like the end of the road. But what if it's not? One of the biggest myths in the timeshare industry is that if the resort says no, your journey is over. I've spoken with many owners who contacted their resort and were told this: we don't have a deed-back program. We can't take it back. You're responsible for it. You signed the contract. After hearing that, many owners simply give up. Why? Because they believe the resort is the only source of information. But here's the question. If you wanted a second opinion about your health, would you only talk to one doctor? Of course not. You would gather information. You would learn your options. You would make an informed decision. The same principle applies to timeshare ownership. One of the most important things an owner can do is learn about all available options from independent sources. The more information you have, the better decisions you can make. That's one of the reasons I created programs to help owners through the legal cancellation process. Not to tell owners what to do, but to help them understand what options may be available to them. Because in my experience, information is often the first step towards freedom. If your resort has told you no, don't assume you reached the end of the road. Start by learning more. Understand what you own. Understand your options, and then decide what path is best for you. I'm Wayne Robinson, former Timeshare Sales and Marketing Director and author of Everything About Timeshares. If you'd like a free review of your timeshare situation, visit the link below and let's discuss what options may be available to you.